Are higher interest rates making you think, homeownership isn't possible? Now think again. Today, I'm sharing 4 creative financing strategies that let buyers get into homes without a giant down payment or overpaying. Now, if you thought that 7% plus rates were kind of a limiter, you will want to hear this for sure. Hey, Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group here. We support buyers and sellers across the Seattle and Eastside areas, helping them navigate and make smart entry into homeownership, even when the rates feel too high. Now, let's turn our attention to the 5 most creative financing strategies. Strategy number 1, rate buydowns, which will be seller paid. Many sellers are now offering rate buydowns as incentives to buyers. In Seattle, we are seeing 2-1 rate buydowns. Now, this is something that the sellers pay to lower the rate by 2% for the buyers the first year and 1% the second before the rates reset. Now, that dropped about $600 in monthly payments for a recent client of ours, making it a very good deal, making them go forward. Now, it's a smart bridge to the full market rates, if you will. Now, strategy number 2 is purchase plus improvement loans. This is something for you to consider. Now, do you want a move-in ready home but can't afford the asking price? Here's an alternative. A renovation loan like an FHA 203K or a Fannie Mae HomeStyle rolls upgrades into your mortgage. Now, strategy number 3 would be owner-occupied investment, also called house hacking. I'm letting you in on that secret, okay? You'll love this, absolutely. Now, buy a duplex or a triplex or a home with an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit. You live in one unit and rent out the rest. And your rental income from those units helps you offset your mortgage. How clever, huh? One client of ours in Kirkland cut their monthly carrying costs to nearly half with this approach. This takes us to strategy number 4, gift funds as well as lender credits. Now, many lenders allow gift funds from family for down payments. Also, ask your lender for lender credits. Now, they negotiate with big banks to cover the closing costs in return for a slightly higher rate, which should be bearable. Now, that frees up savings up front and still keeps payments reasonable, helping you own your dream home. So there you have it. 4 financing hacks that open homeownership even at the current prevailing 7% interest rate for you. Now, if you'd like help exploring what fits your situation or running the numbers specifically on a specific property even, feel free to DM, call, or book into my calendar. My information is in the description below. Hey, here's to owning your dream home with confidence, okay?